Okay. Hello, people. This is just a vlog. Vlog, not vlog. Okay. I wanted to talk about one of my favorite shows. Tom Goes to the Mayor. I have it on DVR. All the episodes they ever aired in the past few months. Yeah, in the past few months. But are they done showing episodes? Because I went on, on Comcast and checked, and it isn't there in its normal time slot. So I'm upset about that. But I have all the episodes on DVR, so I'll still be able to watch it. I'll turn down a little bit. I don't even know if you were able to hear anything I said, because that music was kind of loud. But this is one of my favorite songs. I love it. But what I was talking about, Tom Goes to the Mayor, and I'm just saying how I don't know if they're still. Oh God, I'm such a slob. I don't know if it's still gonna show it on Adult Swim anymore, which is possible because they aired a lot of episodes. They might have even aired every single episode because that series did not last long. I think they should remake it, make it again. That'd be awesome. If not, I really hope they make Tim and Eric again. I hope they make a 6th season of Tim and Eric. Yeah. Whatever. I love Tim and Eric. They're my favorite comedians ever. I'm gonna play a different song. Some Emily Autumn. I love her. Okay. So people. Okay. I just want to look at the camera and see how long this video is, and it's really long. So sorry about that. This will be the end of the video. This video is so useless. And it's making it difficult to eat. With only one arm. One hand. Or with my hand on my arm. Weird. Okay, bye.